You see, this one is the highest warning I want to give. The country should arise. They say build the youth, build the nation. Children are the leaders of tomorrow. You see all these new banks that are springing up, all these online banks. Please, the federal government and central government should close all of them one by one. They are terrorists. You see all these new banks that are spreading, they don't have office. Sometimes they have office. All these, they call themselves loan company. I don't want to call their name. These are the people causing depression to our teenagers and to our youths. We accepted them because we see, okay, it's a kind of fast track bank, but under they have latent function that is making them to destroy the youths of this nation. Their manifest function, which is making bank easy, that is not what they're doing now. What they're doing now is to be borrowing money, lending money to the youths, to teenagers, lending money to the teenagers. Now the children will not have money to pay back. They will be disturbing them. These children will be going into depression. All these loan companies, central banks should close all of them. All this borrowing, all these companies that borrow money, government should close all of them. They are criminals, they are terrorists, they are destroyers, they are the ones destroying the youth. Go to everywhere now, go to every school, even secondary school. All these children have apps in their phones. They're operating all these banks, and they are borrowing money, and these banks are borrowing them money. And they don't have the money to pay. This bank will be putting interest for them every day they don't pay. They will be putting interest for every day, every time. Somebody that borrowed 10,000, before you know, the person don't owe, they own 100,000, 200,000, and this person does not have anything doing, doesn't have work, is still under the parental care, taking allowance from the parent, but you are now lending them money. No character. They don't collect character. They collect your picture, collect your phone number, collect your BVN if you like. If you have, if you don't have, they use their parents' own and give them. And you will lend them money. You will lend these children money, and you are lending them up to 500,000. 100,000, 200,000. Where do you want them to pay you from? I saw one skit. The other man said, is it not stupidity and foolishness that bank will borrow somebody money, and when you don't pay, they will be getting angry with you and be calling police and be doing this thing? Police know they drive debt. Take these children to court. Take them to court so that court, judge and magistrate will look at your face and see the person you are borrowing money to. And this guy said, how is it that you are getting angry when somebody that came to bank to borrow money is not paying back? You are getting angry. If the person have money, would he come to borrow from you at the first place? If the person have the money he will use to pay you, will the person come and borrow money from you at the first place? Now, the real business people that are buying and selling, you cannot give them loan. The real people doing estate business, doing house business, that you see their business, see their property, that have collateral, you cannot borrow them money. But the children that are online, teenagers, you are giving them money, you are borrowing them money. And we say we are in a country. We are in a country and you are lending money to teenagers, young youths. And they don't have money to pay. All of them are throwing their phones away, changing numbers. You'll be carrying any of my relative or anybody I know, you post his or her picture online and say this person is a thief, is a criminal, all those things you people do when they don't pay. I will sue you people. Let me see it again. Like there's one was calling me that time and be sending me message that somebody borrowed money. And the person say, I am the guarantor. I don't even know the person. I say, are you stupid? You contact me. He say, he put my number there as one of the. I say, you are a hooga muga. I tell him, I will hit you with juju, idiot. And he starts sending me message that the person is a criminal. Because I don't know the person, that's why I kept quiet. If I see any picture of anybody I know, relative, or any of my subjects, you posted their picture anywhere that they are owing you, I will sue you for 100 billion. And I will tell you I will win you in court. Because you will show me the collateral the person used to borrow that money from you. You will tell me the means of recovering your money. And you will not tell me how are you now posting the person as a criminal when no competent courts have computed the person as a criminal. The person is owing. This country is owing China, it's owing America, it's owing World Bank. Have you seen anywhere they posted this country that they're criminals, they're terrorists, they're evil people? But you, useless bank, useless loan company, you want to be loaning people and be taking money. This is a organized gambling. And I don't know why they're doing taxation without catching all these loan company and these banks. You want to start taxing your citizens that you don't provide road for them, you don't provide school for them, you don't provide electricity for them. Everybody pays electricity. Everybody, if you go to road, your motor will spoil. If you want your children to go to good school, you must pay. You will buy fuel, you do everything. Everything is skyrocketing, and you're still imposing tax on people. But this loan company, these criminals that are doing money market that you're supposed to be taking money from, you just keep quiet. I don't know what is going on. No. I don't know what is going on. But I tell you people, if you care to know, go and ask your children. If you have any son or any daughter that is still a teenager, go and look into the person's phone. You will see the person is owing. Either it's owing. I don't want to call their number because I can't advertise this. It's just shenanigans, online banks. Useless. But go to any child now, you see that the person is owing 50, 100. You are teaching our children how to owe bank, how to borrow money. What are they borrowing to do? Smoking. Because tell me what a child will borrow money to do. The father is feeding the person. The parents are feeding the person. They are giving them allowance. They are in school. Anything they need is available. Why is the person borrowing? You are giving them money to be chasing women or to be chasing man. To be living a fake life. And you don't collect collateral. Only their number, BVN, and their pictures and everything. After you come and post them that they are owing you. Or try it with anybody that I know. Me and you will go court. Make we even know the address of all these banks. All these loan companies, where on address they? Scammers, 419ers, evil people, destroying our youth. Let me tell you, I'm a youth, if you care to know, and I can't see what is tarnishing and destroying our youth. I will keep quiet. I am a member, a director in Diaspora, National Youth Council of Nigeria, Eastern Branch. I am one of the directors in Diaspora. If you like, I show you my ID card. And I can't stay like this and watch you be destroying our youths with your loans. Why are you lending them money? Even bank cannot lend you money without collateral. But you online this, you'll be lending them money, committing them. You are interested in the interest they'll be paying. If the person don't pay every day, you'll be collecting 1,000 in this kind of this year. And EFCC is there. You are not going for these criminal banks. Police is there. You are not going for these evil loan companies who license themselves. And the country is there. And you are watching our youths that will take over from you people. They are being messed up, becoming indebted. Or is it because the country is borrowing money now? The kids, our youths are borrowing money. These loan companies and online bankers, they are terrorists. Because you think terrorist is only somebody that carries gun and bomb. Anything you do to coerce people into fear, into shame, into destruction is terrorism. They are terrorist bank. I call them terrorist bank. And I will begin to fish them one by one. I'll begin to sue them one by one. Anyone, please, if you have borrowed money from them, send me your details. Send me your details. Send me their bank, the name of the bank and everything. I will sue them. Let me see if our judges and our magistrates will be allowing them to be destroying our youths. If the judiciary will be allowing these idiots. If the law enforcement agency will be allowing this thing to be destroying our youths. You will look at youths wallowing in the street. Ask any of them that are borrowing, that are owing. What are they using it for? To live a flamboyant lifestyle. They cannot even use it to buy car because they will not borrow them money to buy car. They cannot even use it to further the education. They will not borrow them reasonable money. They cannot even give them money to start a business. They cannot do that. What they will give them is money to smoke drugs, money to take girls out and women out and have some party in eateries. And this is the kind of country we are building. These are the people that will take over from tomorrow. I'm telling everybody now, if you doubt what I'm saying, go and meet any of your teenage daughter, teenage son, anybody in the street that you see is a young. Ask them, how much are you owing all this online banking and all these loan companies that are online? You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked what you will see. You'll be shocked. Please, like I said, anybody that have borrowed money from these people, please send me the details of the company that borrowed you that money and how old you are. I will get a son. I will get a son, and we'll start pursuing them now. Let's take them to court. We'll be bringing them before judges. We'll be bringing them before magistrates. Let the law enforcement agents, let the magistrates and the judges and the judiciary set them free and tell them what you are doing to our youths are very good. This is how you want to destroy our youths. This is how you want to destroy our youths. When parents are training their children to become reasonable, this loan company and online bankers will be destroying our youth by borrowing them money. Borrowing them money to live life we don't know. This is not how our father treated us. This is not how we are brought up. Our parents protected us. Now it's our duty to protect our youths. Government should close all these idiots, loan companies, online bankers. Let government close all of them. If you are looking for somebody to borrow money, go to the person's shop and see what the person is trading. Go to the person's business and see what the person is doing to make a living. Go to the project, ask the person which project do you want to put this money on. But you will not do that. You will not go to the people that this loan to better their life. You will take it to children that are jobless, that don't have anything doing. You will be lending them money. Now they cannot pay. You are pasting their pictures and saying they're criminal, sending this into people that knows them, that they're criminal. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. Now courts will end them between me and you people, evil melodians, wild wolves and vampires, occultic evil people, destroying this thing. Let me tell you people, I will begin to hit you now with juju one by one. I will begin to invoke the spirit of our ancestors and the heroes past of this country. I go to rise their spirit against all you loan company, all you online bankers, so that they will show you there's still tradition. There's still tradition that works. I'll be hitting on for you people. I'll be pouring libation for you people to be destroyed, because you people are destroying our youth, and we can't keep quiet anymore. All these things are silent things that are happening in society. Nobody knows. Nobody wants to talk about it. Thank you, people.